Have you noticed the sudden surge in popularity of faceless quiz channels over the past few months? One channel, launched just 1 year ago, has already achieved remarkable success, with multiple videos garnering hundreds of thousands of views. In the last 30 days alone, they've amassed over 7 million views and earned thousands of dollars. But what's even more astonishing is that these engaging videos can be created in mere minutes, thanks to the power of AI. In this video, I'll reveal the exact process behind making these viral videos. So let's get started. What's behind their viral success? Take their most popular video, for example, where they display 2 emojis and challenge viewers to guess the associated word within a 10-second time frame. By combining a series of these engaging questions with a catchy introduction, they've created a formula for an incredibly captivating video that resonates with audiences. To start, we need to generate questions for our video. Let me show you how to create them quickly using ChatGPT. First, ask ChatGPT to come up with 80 compound words, which are perfect for our video since they consist of 2 separate words. Next, instruct ChatGPT to separate the words, add an emoji to each word that best represents it, format the output into a table with column A, question number, column B, first emoji, column C, second emoji, column D, compound word. This table format is crucial, and you'll see why later. To make our video even more engaging, I'm also asking ChatGPT to create voiceover lines for each question. Here's the important part. Instruct ChatGPT to craft each voiceover line in 2 parts. 1. The first part reveals the word. 2. The second part engages the viewer with a question like, let's see if you can guess this one. As you can see, ChatGPT adds voiceover line to the table for each question. Don't worry, I'll include all the prompts in the video description. Now that we have our questions and voiceover lines, it's time to create the video in Canva. To start, open the video format and let's add a visually appealing background. To do this, navigate to the Elements tab on the left side of the screen, search for Animated Background, and select Videos. Browse through the options until you find a background that fits your style, select it, and resize it to fill the entire screen. To create engaging videos, we'll need to add several elements. The question number in the top left corner, the compound word at the top of the screen, 2 emojis representing the word, a loading bar to build anticipation, an image with the word displayed when time runs out. Let's add these elements to our video and bring it to life. Now, let's add the text elements. First, click on the Text tab and add the phrase Guess the Word. I'll change the font and move it to the top center. Next, I'll duplicate the text and add a number 1, which I'll place in the top left corner. To display the emojis, I'll duplicate the text again and type emoji 1 and emoji 2. Duplicate the text once more and add the answer word. To highlight the word, I'll place a block behind it by clicking on Elements and adjusting its position. To make it visually appealing, I'll curve the edges and give the block a white outer boundary. Moving on, we need to add a loading bar. To do this, we'll click on Elements and search for loading bar. We'll select it, crop it, and curve the edges to make it more engaging. We'll also add a block behind the number and insert a circle from the Elements tab. Finally, we'll change the circle's color and outer boundary color to match our design. When the time runs out for viewers to guess the word, we'll need to reveal the answer by displaying an image of the word. To do this, head to the Elements tab on the left side of the screen and add an image frame. Resize it to make it a bit larger. Then, go to the top menu bar and select Border Style to increase the corner rounding, giving it a smoother look. Finally, add a border line to define the image frame and make it stand out. Now, select all elements and click on Show Timing. This allows us to adjust the timing of each element. Let's set the timing as follows. Emoji 1 and emoji 2 will appear after 2 seconds and remain for 8 seconds. The image answer will appear after 10 seconds, replacing the emojis and loading bar. The loading bar will appear after 2 seconds and disappear after 8 seconds at the 10-second mark. The answer word will appear after 10 seconds and remain for 5 seconds. Now that we've adjusted the timing for all elements, let's animate them. Start by selecting the number and block, then click to join them. Next, add a wiggle animation and reduce the intensity. Repeat this process, adding animations to each element one by one. And that's it. All our elements now have animations and are looking great. To create bulk, click on Apps, then click on Create Bulk. To bulk create content, select Enter Data manually and press Clear Table. Then, head to ChatGPT and copy the entire table. Return to Canva and paste the table into the one you created earlier. As you can see, the entire table is now populated in Canva, including the question number, first and second emojis, and the final revealed word. Next, click Done in the bottom right corner. Now, simply select the elements you want to connect to this data, and Canva will automatically link them to the corresponding information in the table. Now, let's connect the data. Select Emoji 1 and Emoji 2, and connect it with the corresponding Emoji 1 and Emoji 2 data. Select the number element and connect it with the corresponding number data. Finally, select the word element and connect it with the corresponding word data. By doing this, we've successfully linked all the data elements together, ensuring that each design element is dynamically connected to its corresponding data. This will save us time and effort when creating multiple designs with varying data. So, finally click on Create 80 Designs. All the designs are ready. As you can see, our design is still missing images. This is a step that requires manual input. To add images, follow these steps. Go to the Elements tab and search for the images you want to display. Browse through the Photos section and select one that fits your design. Simply drag and drop the chosen photo into the designated frame. Repeat this process for each image you want to add to your video. By manually adding images, you'll be able to customize your design and make it visually appealing. To add a short intro to our video, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a script. We can find inspiration in the video description. Once we have the script, we'll head to Clipchamp to create a voiceover. Here's how. 1. Open Clipchamp and navigate to the text-to-speech feature. 2. Click on text-to-speech again to access the voiceover tool. 3. Paste the intro script into the text box. 4. Choose a suitable voice artist and click Save. 5. Our voiceover is now ready. Click Export and download the file. With our voiceover complete, we can now add it to our video and make it even more engaging. Now let's head back to Canva and create our intro page. Here's what we'll do. Add a new page to our design. Upload our intro voiceover script. Add a background emoji to set the tone. Select elements from the Elements tab that match our voiceover script. Arrange these elements to create a visually appealing intro. With these steps complete, our intro is now ready. Next, we'll add the answers to each quiz question. Let's start with the first one, basketball. Here's what we'll do. Head to Clipchamp and generate a voiceover for the answer basketball. Upload the voiceover file to Canva. Adjust the voiceover to fit the design and timing of our quiz. We'll repeat this process for each quiz question, creating a voiceover for each answer and adding it to our Canva design. This will bring our quiz to life. We will add transitions in between the pages. Click between the page and add transitions between all pages. Now, add different transitions sound between the pages on the pages like timer, tick-tick, whoosh effect, correct ANS, and others to make videos sound better. So finally our video is ready and we will download it. Click on Share. Click on Download. And this is the video we were creating.
Hey everyone, welcome to the emoji quiz. You'll have 10 seconds to guess each word, and for every correct answer, you earn 1 point. Keep track of your score, and don't forget to share it in the comments at the end of the video. Oh, it's basketball. Guess the word. Oh, it's sunset.
Hope you liked our content. For such more amazing content, do subscribe us.